Go to File and select Open first. Choose this image and click Open. To copy the image, use Ctrl J at this point. Hit Ctrl I to invert the image. Select Color Dodge under Blend Modes. Then go to Adjustment Layer options and choose Hue or Saturation Adjustment Layer. In this case, drop the saturation to -100. Select the second layer, go to Filter, Blur and choose Gaussian Blur. Here adjust the blur radius like this. And press OK. Then go to Adjustment Layer options and choose Levels Adjustment Layer. Here adjust the input levels and see the final result.